Welcome in Lovey Davis Official. Ito guys, mag-unboxing tayo. Tanggap ko kanina, mainit-init pa. Mag-unboxing tayo guys. Siya. Thank you Lord. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon at nakuha ko ang 100k subscriber. Thank you Lord at ginabayan mo ako na gumawa ng aking mga content at nagpapasalamat din ako to my husband. Thank you so much, hubby. You're very supportive. Thank you. Bunso Jessica, thank you, thank you. To my family and friends, thank you so much. Thank you. Pabi Boys, kapatid, thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Kabsat Edu G, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng mga kabsat, maraming salamat. Thank you Tita Mel, thank you Langga MBF. Bro RG Cargador, maraming salamat sa iyo bro. Thank you sa lahat ng team. Maraming salamat. Ma'am Team EE White, maraming salamat. Eto na. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone, to all my new subscribers and viewers. Thank you, thank you. Thank you sa lahat. To all my members also. Thank you so much. Sa lahat ng small YouTuber na kagaya ko, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Lahat ng team, maraming salamat to all of you guys. Sana hindi kayo magsawa na sumuport sa aking channel. Please continue support Lovey Davi Official. Thank you guys. At sana hindi kayo magsawa na manood sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat. And to my live, thank you guys. Spread love to your family and friends and to everyone from Lovey Davi Official. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Para sa inyo to. Thank you. Ito, para sa inyo guys. Thank you so much. And marami pang video na gagawin ni Lovey Davi. Maraming salamat. Stay safe. God bless. Love. See you guys in my videos and live. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.